11 o'clock almost. Say hello. Say hello, Ammo. And workout month is like our intense workout month. Today is 21st August and in Yanklara Madme Dorsha. Hello, good morning everyone. So welcome to my vlog. So on the weekly vlog dupundo. So day start at 11 o'clock almost Sunday da. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾನ್ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಮನ್ಪೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಓ ಮತ್ತ ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಉಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಆರ್ಯನ ರೂಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಉಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಎಂದ ರೂಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಉಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಆರ್ಯ ಉಲ್ಲಲ್ ಸೇ ಹಲೋ ಸೇ ಹಲೋ ಅಮ್ಮು so the plan for the day is that ki Prajwal ke exams undu. So tomorrow he is having his exam. So I and Arya, we are planning to go for a walk right now. And afternoon I'll hit the gym, and in the evening mostly I'll be in crochet or we might go for a mall. That's it. I'll keep you all updated on this. If anything more, I'm gonna do. So let's get started with the week. So ite ang gym ko wala plan matodula. So it is around 2:45 because Ari ite jaidala. So now it's a time so that I can go to gym and I can work out for an hour. So gym popinitla dumbu. I'm planning to do a coffee. I know. ಜಿಮ್ ಪೋಪಿನಿಟ್ಲ ದುಂಬಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಫಿ ಮನ್ಪುಜೇರ ಬರ್ಪುಜೇರ ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದುಂಡು ಇತ್ತೆ ಒನ ಸೈನ್ ಆತ್ರ at 1 o'clock. So an Aryan Jepad, anyway, I'm feeling sleepy. But this is the only time I can go for gym. I can do something for myself. So I thought, chalo, let's do a coffee. Just let's drink a coffee and then head back to gym. And my black coffee is ready. Oh, it's fresh. So and workout month is like our intense the workout month ho. So my workout will be completely like um on a treadmill ka walk because the last month I not yoga body. So and definitely when I used to do yoga I lost some inches but I regained back also because uru poditta at one tindra pattadu mata I gained back those inches. So right now I'm planning like let me start slow and mainly I want to focus on my diet rather than workout. Workout is just like whole day. I'm just doing house car work. I just want little time for myself. That's the reason I'm going, and I want to be little healthy. But mainly, I guess so in a weight loss journey or making creating doing a good health, being in a good health. I feel. Diet is a main thing. Jasti proteins in add one per try month on the lay and in a meal said less of carbs to on the lay. It's not like and completely carbs in avoid month on the lay. It's nothing like that. I'm just trying to reduce carbs and is a goal per year try month and a meal the 20 minutes dumbo. So these are not few habits. Morning the breakfast I don't keep it heavy as such. Before you must heavy the only then a morning breakfast and like since I like being in Mumbai, I'm a South Indian. Just I'm in Mumbai, so I used to have this vada. I love vada sambar. How much the heavy on it, and since I have the problem of acidity, it would trigger that also. I don't know in some way it would trigger. So it reduce month. So right now my morning breakfast would be sometime black coffee with few nuts and one piece of rice cake and peanut butter. Or else instead of black coffee, I go for a protein milk. Till recently 1 week back, and milk roti ke protein powder part par but I thought now it I want to stop milk. So right now, yeah, I'm just water protein powder on the back. Yeah, that's a small change, small update about my health. So yeah, let's head to the gym. So ಇತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ಇಂಕ್ ದಾದನ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ kind of thing because we had food from out today. So I'm just thinking, let me make ajwain jeera methi sofka water. Yeah, that's hello, good evening. So on the next day na, which is a Nagara Panchimika day. So ಕಾರಣೆಚ್ಚಲ vlog ಮನ್ಪರ ಆಯ್ಜಿ since ಅಡ್ಡೆ ಮಂತ್ ಒಂದಿತ್ತೆ after that ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ನ exams ಇತ್ತು ನೀನಿ and even Arya was very cranky. So ಒಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ the time is around 5:30. So ಎಂಕುಲು ಪಿದಾಡ್ದು ಎಂಕನ ಮಾಮಿನಿಲ್ಲ ಪೋಂದುಲ್ಲ. So and from there mostly we might go for a shopping, grocery shopping. Yeah, that's today's plan. I book actually onch paneer itan ki many people were asking my lip shade and o lip shade use man pepanda. So and maybe in the kana make it work. Make it work, sorry, make it work. How particular shade use man and lip liner is from K Beauty. The shade name shade brown, I don't know. But yeah, this is the lipstick which I am using. And ఇంకొంచి రఫ్ ఎన్న థాట్స్ ఇతనికి డాల్బా ఫస్ట్ స్ప్రే సిరమ్ okay, that particular setting spray or a mist matirla anondile that is the best one in the market which gives you a glowy finish or something like that. But yan awada ibaka anesthesia da kana spray glow mist use mante glow spray use mante Anastasia, right? That is how we pronounce it. So and I use manta. I feel that is much better. Of course, oncheru pricier end gundu for a 30 ml wala. So, but I feel that is much more worth when compared, much more good, not worth, sorry, much more good when compared to the Dalba first spray serum. Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell. Yeah, and then to now we are leaving. Yeah, I'll meet you all soon. Hello. So then weekly vlog panda almost 2 days shoot mandaji. Dala vlog mandaji. Nothing. It was blank because Prajul was having exam. So actually today is 21st August and in India Madhme Dorsha, as well as Varamalakshmi Puja also today, as well as an husband exam. So an husband cardal exam undo, Madhyana exam undo. So he'll be coming very late. I guess mostly by 7 o'clock he must be there. So yeah. Um Madhmeda Voshada Panda, since Prajal also was not there at home, so I just made aloo paratha. So I named Chiridi, Chichi Tanda, and ಒಂದು ಲಾಲ್ ದಕ್ಕನ malai peda and ಕಂದಿದ್ದೆ kode. So I thought, chalo, let me have this. And yeah, and wait for my husband. Are you already jaydal? Alimi pajepade. So the house is clean. And Mayana Mida Kandene. So let's see how the day goes. At least yanonji radde dina. Ini already Friday. So at least onji radde dina kodala vlog mantana, then I can edit and post it. And if you all know that this is my first vlog on long form vlog, first long form daily vlog on YouTube. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Good evening. So, ini Saturday evening. So, kode and egana wedding anniversary dina itan. So, enkan pide vanasak podetta. So, today it is cloudy and time is it's around 5 o'clock. So, today ka plan is that ki enkul temple pogo pandu. I was not able to shoot much and pide potina la ittedala and jasti videos de ittiji. So, yeah. We'll go for temple. Post which Prajwal Kurunja exam undo 24th, which is on Monday. So I'm thinking of winding up this vlog. So since it's my first the weekly vlog, so I will keep it little short and yeah. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe to my channel and yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah. Bye bye.